Hello and welcome friends, and this is a another part of video tutorial about figure drawing classes. Sorry for this disturbing noise. I'm just moving my mic for audible. This can be audible more better. So here this is the first class of figure drawing. I have two unsynchronized classes about this section. You can see, and there are a different playlist. So here you can see this is a class of just figure drawing class. So sorry for this noise outside of my room. So let's start from this middle of this page. So here we analyzing the female body structure. So here here were this one, and and this one for the upper head portion. And for this is a very important part. Let's remember these things. I'm just for the convenient just using this another color, being more convenient. Okay, so this one, so here we go for the black one. And now so this is the eyes portion, nice eyes portions. Those are nice eyes portions. And for the men sections, you can see this is sections of the neck and the section of neck, and so this hand portion, and nicely draw. This is the sections, this one sections. And you know this hip is more circular type of angle, and then male. So this is a female figure. So here it is a very important part. Okay, so in this part you will, I'm sorry for noise once again. And this one, okay, so you can see this is a female figure. Okay, and see this one and this one. Okay, now for betterly understand the sections, so I'm just changing my color and some opacity, just down this opacity. So here are sections of this one, and now this one, now this one, and another one, and with this circle you can clearly understand the part 1, here 2, here 3, 4, 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in the sixth part. Okay, you can clearly understand this one, as a torso part, and this from the hip ending, this one and this one. Always remember, this circle is always your friend, so don't forget about the circle. The circle is always your friend. Okay, always chalk down your drawing with circle if you are newbie or if you are a new learner. Okay, when your eyes is fixed how to draw, then you can easily draw and no need to uh, uh, create this kind of circle. Okay, this kind of circle. So practice like this, practice lots of time, and then your eyes will be definitely fix some of this portion, some of this portions. Here you can see this one. Okay, this one like this one, and so this the circle will be here. So this one, and here this one, and here a circle with joint portions. So I'm just creating this circle, and this is the lower part of leg, and this one, and this one. Okay, and now you can clearly see this is a circle, and I'm just, for the sake of understanding, just this is equal to circle. Okay, circle, and some of my color is like this. So here is the oval. So here you can see this is oval face, oval shape, this is oval shape, this is oval shape, then this one also oval shape, and clearly understand this is oval, sorry, here oval shape. So 6 heads. Here you can see this one, let's say head portion, this one, let's say head. This is 6 head figure drawing made easy, figure drawing style. There are lots of styles. 8 head figure drawing style also we have in my tutorial, in my previous tutorial. So you can see this 6 heads, 6 heads. Okay, so here it is six heads figure drawing style. So this is this one, and here this portion is very important, this one. Okay, then shift for this. Okay, so you can clearly see this is the proportions. Okay, now this is my tutorial, and this tutorial will be continue. Please subscribe for my upcoming video. This is very definitely educational tutorial if you want to learn drawing. Thank you very much for watching. Till then, stay tuned.